everybody, how are you doing? I just have a couple of quick announcements to make. If you don't want to hear the announcements and you want to skip them, I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you want to jump straight to the tutorial, just move to the next timestamp and that will get you straight into the tutorial. Announcement number 1 is actually an explanation. Why did my subscriber celebrations come out so far from each other this month? And also, why are you going to see a 29, 30, 31, all the way up to 33 in this video? In September, I had the virus and it kept me from my computer for probably 2.5 weeks. And so I didn't have the prep time that I normally have going into subscriber celebrations. So I wasn't able to put them all together to be able to put them out back to back. You will notice the numbers being higher because today's subscriber celebration is part 3 and I'm celebrating subscriber number 29 to 38 today. So you might hear me say, coming in at number 10 is, and you might see the number 29. No, I didn't lose my mind. It's tip number 29 for the subscriber celebration. What I'm gonna do is put a playlist at the end on my end card so that you can just click that and it will show you all the subscriber celebrations that I have ever done. Number 2, I'm getting a new microphone and I am so excited about it. It's already here, but I'm not gonna start using it until I'm ready to film for the first November tutorial. And I got a Blue Yeti. Look. Isn't that exciting, y'all? It's so pretty. And the final announcement, you may have already noticed, there has been a name change. We are now the Canva Classroom. So now when I say welcome to your Canva Classroom, everybody, I really mean it. Today's tutorial is going to be all the things that I love about Canva Pro and how they save me time. Let's get started. Did that work? Did that work for you? I don't. Let's get started. I'm awkward. Forgive me. Welcome to your Canva Classroom, everybody. Are you wondering if Canva Pro is worth the subscription price? Do you want to know the time-saving tools Canva Pro has to offer? After trying it myself after 6 years of using the free version, I want to share with you my favorite features and time-saving tricks for today's subscriber celebration. Let's get started. Coming in at number 10 is more cloud storage. Do yourself a favor and go to the question mark and type in upload, formats, and requirements. You will get a lot of information. What you need to know is that Canva free users can only upload up to 5 gig of media. Canva Pro, Canva for Education, and Canva for Nonprofit users can upload to 100 gig. When I was using Canva for free, I would upload a bunch of stuff like this. Afterwards, I would have to get rid of a lot of stuff. That is why more cloud storage is number 10 on my list. Number 9, the content planner. Essentially, what this is you can schedule posts to your social media. You can schedule it. This particular post was shared to Instagram at 10:59 a.m. on Wednesday, October the 13th. I can click a plus sign and choose something. Let's see here. Trying to find, let's just pretend like this is it, right? I can write a caption, I can do all the hashtag stuff, and I can schedule the post for the future. It's completely a game changer. Who doesn't want more time by scheduling your posts? You don't have to get on your phone to do it at that time. You can schedule it right from here. Game changer. That's why the content planner is number 9. Coming in on the list at number 8, SVG downloads. I'm going to download this as an SVG. Download. I'm going to upload it. I can still change the color. There are 2 reasons that I love using SVG. First, it's not going to take over the background. The second is that it doesn't lose any quality. And the third is that in most cases, I can change the color still. But a huge reason that I love it is that I can create things for my Cricut maker so that I can make t-shirts at home. If you are a Cricut and Canva user and you would be interested in me doing create your own t-shirt design in Canva and then sharing that design come to life on my other channel with my husband, then comment below and let me know if that is something you would want. Now you know why SVG is definitely on my list of reasons to get Canva Pro. Coming in at number 7 is previous version history. This has been a little bit of a lifesaver more times than I can tell you. Go to File, Version History. It tells me version history. So there's an autosave 16 minutes ago. And I could actually go back and replace the version that I've done now with one that was an autosave. Awesome feature of Canva Pro. Number 6, access to premium content. With premium content, I have access to everything. I don't have to spend my time scrolling through things to find the free stuff. There are going to be a lot of templates that are pro templates that I now have access to. And I might not even want them in terms of what the template is. I might go, oh, I really like that. And as a free user, I can't see the font information or anything like that. But with a Canva Pro account, I can. I have access to all the photos, all the graphics, all the videos, and all of the audio. I don't have to figure out what's available and what's not. It's time saving. All of the fonts are included. I don't have to pick and choose. This one, for example, Sunborn, I like. It's a Canva Pro font. There are page animations, text animations, element animations. A lot of the animations are Pro only. And of course, I've already mentioned uploads. I've got 100 gig that I can upload instead of 5. There's just so much here. I can upload images, video, and audio. If there is something that you would like a Canva Pro tutorial on in terms of photos, graphics, video, or audio, please comment below and let me know. If you want one on fonts, let me know. Check this video out. It's in the info card that just popped out at you. Premium content fell number 6, but it really could be number 1. Coming in, number 4 is resizing with a click. How many times have you created something in the wrong dimension? You might have to copy and paste everything into the correct dimension, resize everything. Canva Pro has this feature. This one I created in my standard 1920 by 1080 for YouTube video. And let's say that I want to make sure that I use this font, this coloring, this everything in YouTube thumbnail size. I would go here, click resize, and put in what I want. I would click YouTube thumbnail or type it in here, YouTube thumbnail, and it will pop down. I recommend doing copy and resize because that way you have a backup. And now I've got up here what I love about Canva Pro, and in parentheses it says YouTube thumbnail. copy and resize. Let's see what happens there. Now it even gives me further. YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post. Now, not everything is going to transfer so nice and neatly like this because of the dimensions. And do you like this? I don't know. Words, words, and more. It was my little template. But now I could take this and easily resize it, position center middle, and then I could make this larger, and that's going to be just so much easier. And I've got my words here, right? I could group them, make them bigger. And remember, you can share it directly to your Instagram post or even Canva Pro feature. Remember, schedule it. Resizing with a click, one of my favorite features. What else do I love? The brand kit collections. This comes in at number 3. What is a brand kit? If I click on colors, it will give me a brand kit. So I've got my basic colors brand kit. And when I was working on the pink pumpkin palette, I created a kit for my colors that I wanted to use. And let's look at brand kit. Brand kit. A brand kit, you can include logos, brand colors. You can even add more. Add and discover more. It's a time saver because let's say that I know that I would like to use something autumn. Here are some palettes. There are 5 that have autumn in it. And let's say that I really enjoy autumn's reflection. I can click on autumn reflection. Now I'm going to go home, create 1080 by 1080, so Instagram post. When I click on my colors, autumn reflection is there, and it's a time saver. I don't have to type in autumn and go grab my colors. I can use it straight from here. You can have brand fonts. That means when you have your headings, it's always going to be in the same font and size. Subheadings, same. So for me, Lead Gothic, Anton, Prompt Black. You can upload fonts. Brand Kit is awesome. This has helped me save so much time, especially when I'm trying to find perfect palettes for my colors. We have 3 more to go, and number 3 is access to more folders. I can't tell you how beneficial this is. I have another tutorial just on folders and the difference between Canva for free and Canva for Pro. I can access all of my folders within the project. Here they are, and I can open up different things. Let's say images I love, and I can put it in my project. Let's go to our Canva homepage. Here's the tab, all your folders. And for me, I actually don't have a whole lot of folders. However, if we look and say this one, CT, Canva Tutorials, YouTube Projects, and I click it, I actually have folders within the folders. So things that I'm currently working on, I will keep in my designs, and then when I'm done, I will move them up to these folders. I can't say enough good things about the Canva folder system. That brings me to my final 2 things that I love about Canva Pro, and they kind of go hand in hand. Coming in at number 2, background removal. I use this all the time. I took this image and applied the background removal tool. All I had to do was click it. and the background disappeared. That's this first large image you see. The second thing I did with the background remover was clean up the hairs. So I'm going to click it again and then select a brush to erase. And then I erased the little fluff of hair on the top of her head because I wanted to apply a shadow glow effect. And the shadow glow effect works really well, but it will shadow glow even the hairs. Removing that is very, very helpful. There we go. I got rid of it. Now I'm going to click done and zoom back out. So now it's this one, and then I added a glow effect. If you need to know how to add a glow effect, watch this tutorial. It will either be in the info card, end card, or in the pinned comments. But created her to look like this. I use that feature all the time. I love it. I love being able to use the background removal tool because I was able to create the word love into this gradient look. And then I was able to, spoiler alert, add a shadow which created this look. And then I added another text box which created this look. There is one thing I wish that it could do that would be a little easier, that would take fewer steps, but I managed to work around it for my words, at least. The last thing. Do you want to know the last thing? My absolute favorite, the thing that has saved me the absolute most time? Downloading with transparency. This is the whole reason I subscribed to Canva Pro in the first place. I needed it, and let me show you what I mean. In one of the tutorials I did recently, I talked about hidden keywords, or 5 keywords, and one of those keywords was PNG. If I did not have Canva Pro, I would have to chroma key this green out. Instead, I'm able to download it as a PNG with a transparent background, and then put that PNG in my tutorial without having to green screen anything out. Having a Canva Pro subscription has really saved me time. And because it saved me time, I've been able to put out more Canva lessons for you. If you have Canva for free, I want you to tell me what is the one feature in this video that would make you consider getting a Canva Pro subscription. And if you have Canva Pro, then I want you to comment which is your favorite, as well as did I share today something that you did not realize that you could do with Canva. That's all I have for you today. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, then give it a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I premiere new videos. See you next time. Bye.